Welcome to Tulip Leaf, where innovation meets safety. Located in Delhi, Tulip Leaf is a high rise 20-floor building which has the installation of our Victofire's fire protection system. In a world where fire protection is more critical than ever, we are proud to introduce a comprehensive solution designed to safeguard lives and property. Here, we provide a state of art fire safety systems with IoT features. Our IADAC system integrates audio talkback, detection, and annunciation, which simplified cable architecture, bringing down shaft cabling from over 80 cables to just 3. This made installation, commissioning, and maintenance much easier. Compared to the other fire protection systems, we worked towards significantly reducing the cabling through our intelligent system. We were able to save over 5,000 meters of cable in this site alone, and the costs aligned with it. Here you can see our colleague pointing out the fire extinguishers conveniently located on this floor. As our colleague enters the lift, they will show you how simple and effective our detection system works. Tulip builders were sure that they wanted to provide the best level of security and safety in their homes. That's why each apartment is equipped with an individual panic button. When activated, sends notification not just to the panel but also to the cloud. Watch as the detector actively monitoring the surroundings. Within seconds, it identifies even the small traces of gas leak with precision, ensuring safety at every step by alerting the panel and the cloud. Our patented product VouchSafe monitors each fire extinguisher, detecting presence in their designated location and their weight, which reports to the cloud, ensuring that they are ready to go in case they are needed. We are proud to offer solutions that deliver an impressive 99% uptime post-commissioning, ensuring that your safety systems are always operational. And our relationship with Tulip Builders has extended far beyond delivering a state-of-the-art system. We provide hand-in-hand support to the Tulip Leaf team by ensuring they are fully equipped to operate and maintain the new system. This project allowed us to unify cutting-edge technology with comprehensive fire safety solutions, ensuring that our systems not only meet but exceeds industry standards. The Tulip project is more than a showcase of technological innovations. You will observe that in the 18th floor and the 17th floor together, 3 alarms were simulated. One from the gas leak, one from panic button, and one from removal of fire extinguisher, and all the 3 alarms are displayed here in this panel comprehensively. And this entire set of events can be observed in a single view